Word problems. Today we're going to study word problems, just an introduction to them. And we're going to use formulas to solve them. So we're going to take everything we know now and tie them together. Let's take a look at this first one. P equals A plus B plus C. Take a look at that first question on that sheet. You see all the words with it? You have to be able to pick out what's important and what they're asking you for. It says find C when P equals 85, A equals 25, and B equals 12. What do you think you do with all of those numbers? Trevon. Yeah. So basically what you're trying to tell me, Trevon, is you sub these numbers into the equation. And then we solve. Jason? Yeah, we're just going to plug them in. That's all we are doing. Oh, come on, computer. Don't be so slow. Yep. Equals 25. Oh, my God. Okay, hold on a minute. Do this. Everybody's got some calculators. Do me a favor. Can you add that for me? Hakeem? Marlon? Yeah, you're the man, Marlon. This side just gets added because, you know, 25 and 12 are on the same side, so it's 37. Oh my God, computer, stop being so slow. Right? And so there you go. That's what you get. This is a C. Now, this is what we studied for 2 days. How do you solve equations like that? What are you going to do? Selena.
Subtract 37 by both sides.
Yep. Ava, is that what you were thinking? Okay, let's do that. What's 85 minus 37? 48? 48. Isn't that great? There you go. That's the answer to the first one. We're good? You guys know how to do this stuff? Feel comfortable doing it? All right, let's do a new problem. We're just stepping it up a notch, right? Let's go to 8. P equals 2A plus B. What are we going to do? Yep. Right, Tiana? Where's that pencil? Where's that pen? There you go, girl. So we're going to plug it in, plug it in. Guys, let's finish this up. So now we got a whole bunch of complicated stuff. We're trying to figure out how much A is. Ava, do you know what we do first? Subtract what? Close. You're so close, girl. Warm. Fabiola? Subtract 5.8 from both sides. Yep. We're going to subtract 5.8 if our computer would move only so much faster. Oh my God. Hey, there you go. So 12.8 equals 2A. Is that it? Are we done? Tanya? Why not? Tiana? 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 How do we get A by itself? Marlon, help her. Divide by 2. That's what we do. We divide both sides by 2. Guys, what do you think? Is this one of those times where I wrote the wrong answer up on the board? No. That's the right answer. Let's play again. How about this one? Do you recognize that formula? Have you ever seen it before? A equals B. What is it? What? Yeah. Yeah, area. This is the area formula. And here's what I want you to take notice of. Now, I deleted something off. Do you see this part over here, area? This? On the sheet itself, it says that the area equals 240. Oh my. So there's what's written. This is what's written on the sheet, right? Now I want you to tell me, which one do you think is bigger? This one or the one next to it? Do you notice something? All right, guys. So here we go. Take a look at these two things. There's this famous expression that have you ever heard it? God is in the details. Ever heard that before? Well, in any event, do you notice anything about these two? Are they different or are they exactly the same? They're different. Oh, they're the same. How are they different? Alex? Yeah, the 2 is on top of the 240 in this one, and the 2 is on top of the CM in this one. Let me explain to you what that means. Let me explain to you what that means. This one over here is absolutely gigantic. This is two 240s in a row. Oh my God, computer. That's what that one means. Okay, so let's talk again, right? The first one means 240 times 240. That's what that square centimeter, that's what the squaring means. In the second one, when you put the square above the cm, what it's doing is it's talking about areas. It's saying 240 square tiles fit in that space. So you got to be careful of the details. That's what I'm trying to get at. Let's fill it in. Did anybody get a chance? Does anybody want to come up to the board and finish the problem? Akeem? Selena? Come on, we gotta go. Selena, come on, come up to the front board. Okay? All right, Selena. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Take a look at Selena's work. Take a look at Selena's work. She plugged it in. When you have two things next to each other like this, what operation is going on? Multiplication. Very nice. Yeah. So divide both sides by the number. And you get 16. Did anybody get lost? Confusing? A little bit? Well, we're going to practice a little. Don't worry. So we're going to plug into this formula. 135 is going to go in for I. My gosh. Wow. Our computer is terrible today. We're going to try and plug in 2.5%. Can we just plug that in? Why not, Jason? Yeah, very good. You're a very smart man. Yeah, this right now is a percent and we need a decimal. And so how do you convert that to a decimal? Percent. Per means over in math. Cent, what do you think that means? Per 100. So when you see this symbol, this is the shorthand way of us writing this down. And if you enter this into your calculator, what do you get? Oh my gosh, computer. Per 100, what is that? What's 2.5? Yeah, 0.025. So 0.025. Very nice. So yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to get P times 0.025 and then we're going to do times 3. Do me a favor. Oh, we should have done it in green, but that's okay. Let's fix that. All right. Did anybody get a chance to do it? What is it? Yeah, so here, we got to multiply these two numbers on the right. You multiply those two numbers on the right, 0.025 times 3, you get 0.075. Now what do you do? How do we get P by itself? Yeah, very nice, Siobhan. Yeah, we're going to divide both sides by points. Yep, we're going to divide both sides. Do me a favor, punch that into your calculator. Tell me again. Do you think it's going to be a small number or a big number? Ooh. Well, you're going to find something interesting out. It's big. Come on, somebody punch it in for me. How much is it, Maya? 1,800. Turns out when you divide by a fraction, when you divide by a number smaller than 1, Sorry. When you divide by a number smaller than 1, you get really big numbers. How weird. We'll talk about that later when we get to fractions. But what are you feeling? You feeling a little comfortable with this, plugging numbers into formulas and whatnot?